Hi everyone. Today I'd like to speak to you about a vegetable which is really common here in Malaysia, and it is a type of gourd. A gourd is a fruit which is hard on the outside, and the flesh and the fruit, the flesh and the seeds would be inside. And the gourd, it, the particular gourd that I'm going to talk to you about is this one, which is called in Tamil, it is called Sorakai. In Bahasa Malaysia, which is my national language, it is called Labu Air. And in English, it is called bottle gourd. Why bottle gourd? Because this variety in particular is sometimes it'll be elongated like this, or sometimes a lot longer. I have another one which is a fatter one here, okay? And then there's another type which is called, which is in the shape of a bottle. And sometimes it is also referred to as calabash. These gourds can actually be dried out with the inside scooped out and everything, and then you can make it can be made into a vessel where you can hold liquid into it. Now, I initially wanted to make a recipe with this sorakai and also talk about its benefits, but then I realized that then the video would be far too long. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to speak about the vegetable very briefly, and then in a separate video I will cook a recipe using my sorakai. So I did a lot of research on this vegetable today, and there's so much that I didn't know about the vegetable. And also, guys, I feel like I myself underestimated the benefits of sorakai or the benefits of bottle gourd. So I thought, I know that all of us can Google and all of us can find a research and do, find out about the benefits of a vegetable. But since I'm doing content creation, right, I thought that it would be beneficial, like an advertisement, right, guys? You see a certain brand or you see a certain clothing, especially like for ladies, right? You see a clothing or you see a handbag and you see it flashed in advertisements all the time, flashing in front of your eyes. It kind of sticks, right? It makes a little mark in your mind, that in your brain, that, oh, okay, I like, whether you like it or you don't like it, especially when it's something that appeals to you. So I thought, why not make short videos about the benefits of whatever vegetable that I'm talking about, little videos that would help all of us, including me, to sort of quickly get to know how good that vegetable is for us. And that would mean we would tend to eat that vegetable a little bit more. You see, I'm a great believer in this saying. In Tamil, we have this saying called Unave Marundu or Marunde Unavu. Now, Unavu means food, and Marundu is our medicine. So, how wonderful is that, right? I mean, our food is also our medicine because it treats your body from the inside. It goes to the root of the problem. And I'm in no way saying that not to take medication and so on. That is a very important thing for all of us, like including me. I take medication for certain things as well. But medication sort of helps helps the symptoms, prevent the symptoms of a particular illness or ailment that you have. Whereas food, if you take it enough, it will sort the problem that causes the symptoms. So I'm a great believer in that, and that is why I speak a lot about vegetables and fruits and so on. So that is why I do content creation on these things. So guys, let me get on with the benefits of sorakai. So the benefits, number one, it is rich in antioxidants. So we know that if a vegetable is rich in antioxidants, it would mean that it would prevent or would reduce the risk of getting cancer, because antioxidants will prevent cellular damage, will prevent the free radicals from damaging our cells, and that means reduces cancer risk. Okay, number one. Number two, it has got lots of water, 90% water, so it's really good to take this vegetable during summers when it's really hot, and it will nourish your body. And then it is said to be low in calories, low in carbohydrate, low in fat, low in glycemic index, high in fiber. Did I say carbohydrate? Yeah. So really good for weight management, and also because it's low in glycemic index, it is also a good vegetable for diabetics to have. And then it is said to be an alkaline vegetable, so it's good for UTI, urinary tract infection. It is also said to be low in sodium, so it's a vegetable that is good for people with hypertension. And apparently, this is for my research, so I'm just quoting whatever I read about. It is good for people who have problems with their prostate glands. So a lot of men who are aging would come across this problem, so it's good for them. And then it's said to be, it has loads of calcium and vitamin K, good for the bones, and lots of vitamin C, ladies, so you can have nice glowing skin. So these are the main benefits that I came across. I would also like to say that this vegetable, besides cooking and eating this vegetable, you can also eat it raw in like a raita, which is an Indian yogurt based dish. You can also grate it and put it in there, so you eat it raw. And most importantly, you can juice this vegetable. I didn't know that, I mean, I sort of knew, but I didn't realize the importance of it. Juicing this vegetable has so many benefits. It can, as I said, because it's so high in vitamin C, it gives you all that vitamins. And I remember writing it down. Oh yeah, it's so good for pimples and acne, and basically good for your skin. It gives you a nice, smooth, clear complexion, which is glowing. Okay. So guys, another pointer to remember is that if it is bitter, because there's a slight bitterness to this vegetable, which is for some curcumin. There's a certain property in the vegetable that causes a slight bitterness, but a little bit of bitterness is okay, especially if you're making it into a juice. But if it is really bitter, too bitter, avoid taking it, because that would be too much for your body to handle. And lastly, guys, if you're going to make a juice and you're not used to it, just take 50 ml in the beginning, and then when your body is used to it, you can take more. Okay, so these are the benefits of our sorakai or our labu air, and I hope you've enjoyed this quick video on the health benefits of this labu air or sorakai, or in English it's called bottle gourd. Bye guys. Another thing about drinking bottle gourd juice is that apparently it also helps in the degeneration of your eyes, of your vision, and so on. As you get older and you get on in age, you have some issues with your vision, and you have issues with your eyes. You might get cataracts and so on. Apparently, bottle gourd juice and just eating the fruit, the vegetable itself, helps in preventing problems with the eyes. And with regards to the skin, besides preventing pimples and acne, it also helps prevent premature aging. So most women are worried about that, right? Looking older and so on, including me. So that is a plus point for us women. And it also prevents premature graying of our hair. So these are the benefits that I know of, everyone. In my next video and in the future videos, I will make recipes using bottle gourd and so on, but will not go in detail about, or rather, will not make a video where I speak about the benefits and so on. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye guys. Here's Shakila Shanmugam signing off. Bye everyone.